There are a lot of headlines out there about home prices, and I want to give you the context you need so you know what's really going on. Take a look at this. Focus only on the blue bars for a second. That's the long term average for what usually happens to home prices throughout the year. Price growth starts off slowly, really ramps up in the spring, and then cools off in the second half of the year. Now, let's take a look at the green bars. That's prices in 2023. Notice anything? We got closer to that long term norm last year, and that's a good thing. But the media is focusing on three red bars because negative news sells. Don't be distracted by those blips on the radar. They happen during the time of the year when usually there's a slowdown, so it's nothing to worry about. Home prices aren't crashing. Get that in. Let's get that out there. The bigger picture is that prices actually went up last year and they should continue. Thank you for watching. If you need any help, you know where to reach out to me. Carolyn Alaverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate, putting you first every step of the way.